If you are looking for the best smartphone under $200, you are at the right place. I've handpicked the top 5 latest smartphones based on 3 must have features: 5G connectivity, a buttery smooth 120Hz display, and let's be real, no one wants outdated tech in 2025. And here's the deal, stick around till the end because by the time we are done, you will know exactly which smartphone is perfect for you. Whether you are into gaming, photography, battery life, or just want a solid all rounder, there's a phone here that fits your need. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the latest tech updates. If raw power is what you're after, the Poco X7 5G is no brainer. This thing packs the new MediaTek Dimensity 7300 Ultra under the hood, and trust me, it flies through everything, whether it's hardcore gaming, heavy multitasking, or just doom scrolling through your socials. The 6.67-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and a ridiculous 3000 nits of peak brightness makes sure you can use it comfortably under direct sunlight. And when it comes to battery, Poco isn't messing around. 5110 milliamps battery with 45-watt fast charging that gets you from 0 to 100% in just 52 minutes. Now let's talk cameras. You got a 50 megapixel main sensor, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, plus a 2 megapixel front camera for selfies. And while Android 14 runs the show, be ready to deal with a bunch of pre-installed apps that you might want to uninstall right away. If you need a phone that absolutely crushes performance without breaking the bank, Poco X7 is the one to beat. If you are someone who loves clean, reliable, and long-lasting smartphone experience, then the Galaxy A35 5G should be high on your list. Samsung's One UI is known for being more than optimized, and with Android 14 and a promise of 4 major Android updates, this phone will stay fresh for years. The 6.6-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 1000 nits peak brightness looks fantastic, but where the A35 really shines is in software. It may not have the fastest chipset with its Exynos 1380, but everything feels polished and you won't be dealing with unnecessary bloatware. Battery life is solid with 5000 milliamps battery and 25-watt fast charging. Though Samsung's charging speeds aren't as crazy as some competitors, the camera setup includes a 50 megapixel main sensor with OIS, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 5 megapixel macro, while the 13 megapixel front camera handles selfie like a champ. This is the phone you get when you want zero headaches, long term software support, and clean UI experience. Gaming and smooth performance are your top priorities. The iQOO Z9s 5G is here to flex, rocking the Dimensity 7300. This phone isn't just fast, built to handle high refresh rate gaming, heavy multitasking, and everything in between without breaking a sweat. And speaking of smooth, that 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate and 1800 nits peak brightness makes sure your gameplay and scrolling experience stay crispy no matter where you are. But the real MVP? The battery. A massive 55 milliamp cell keeps this thing running for hours. And when you finally need to juice up, you've got 44-watt wide charging that gets you back in action fast. And it even supports 7.5-watt reverse wired charging, so you can flex by charging your friend's dying phone. Now the cameras, you are looking at 50 megapixel wide lens f1.8 and a 2 megapixel depth sensor f2.4. Not the craziest setup, but hey, if cameras aren't your priority, this will get the job done. The only real downside, while it ships with Android 14 and FunTouch OS 14, you're only getting two major Android updates, which is kinda lame for long term use. But if you want a phone that delivers smooth performance, great battery life, and an unbeatable gaming experience at this price, the iQOO Z9s is an absolute beast. Now, if you want a phone that's good at everything, the Redmi Note 14 5G should be at the top of your list. Powered by the Dimensity 7025 Ultra, it delivers smooth performance across the board, from gaming to everyday tasks. The 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with 120Hz refresh rate and 2100 nits peak brightness ensures you get a stunning display experience. And when it comes to battery, you are looking at 5110 milliamps with 45-watt wired charging, so you won't be hunting for a charger every few hours. Now the cameras, insane for this price range. The triple lens setup includes a 108 megapixel main sensor with f1.7 aperture, an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro, so your shots will look crisp and detailed. But here's the catch: you're only getting 2 years of major Android updates, so software longevity isn't its strongest suit. If you want a powerful, well rounded device that doesn't compromise on display, battery, or cameras, the Redmi Note 14 5G is the one to grab. And finally, for those who love sleek design, fast charging, and premium feel, the Realme 14 Pro Lite is an absolute beauty. This phone is powered by the Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, which means solid everyday performance and great efficiency. The 6.7-inch AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate and 2000 nits peak brightness makes sure everything looks smooth and vibrant. Battery life is no joke either. 5200 milliamps with 45-watt wired charging that gets you 50% in just 27 minutes. Cameras are also pretty solid with a 50 megapixel wide sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. If you want a phone that looks and feel premium without breaking the bank, the Realme 14 Pro Lite is a killer option. Alright, let's break it down real quick. If you want the best gaming performance, go for the Poco X7 or iQOO Z9s. If you are after long-term software updates, the Galaxy A35 is the way to go. Need an all-rounder that won't disappoint? The Redmi Note 14 5G is your best bet. And if style and fast charging are your priorities, Realme 14 Pro Lite is a no-brainer. So, which one's your pick? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more epic tech content. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.